The error code 15 on a tankless water heater indicates an issue with the Venturi switch, a crucial component that regulates the flow of gas within the water heater. When it malfunctions, it can cause significant problems. This issue can be caused by obstructions in the exhaust pipes, a malfunctioning Venturi, or a failed gas control valve. To fix the error code 15, start by checking the exhaust pipes for obstructions such as ice or snow, and ensure the fresh air intake is free of blockages, as this can prevent the water heater from operating efficiently. Clear any obstructions found. Then reset the main power supply to the unit by unplugging it, waiting at least 20 seconds, and plugging it back in, which may restore functionality and clear the error code. If the issue persists, it is recommended to have a technician inspect the unit, as they can check the Venturi motor and gas valve assembly, and replace any faulty parts if necessary.